would like two questions.
Ms. Senator David Esu Jimkuta, APC representing Taraba South. We, the APC stakeholder in Taraba State, wish to express our heartfelt appreciation to the Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and with the support of the active Vice President Kashin Shettima for nominating a patriotic and loyal son of Taraba State, His Excellency Senator Danladi, as a Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are expressing our gratitude to President Tinubu for recognizing Senator Sani Danladi competence and loyalty to the party. This appointment is well deserved and a statement to Senator Sani Abubakar's commitment to serve the people of Taraba. We also commend President Tinubu for his leadership and vision in selecting competent individuals to drive the agenda of the party at the national level. We are expressing confidence in Sani Abubakar's ability to deliver on his new role as minister to bring positive change to our dear state and Nigeria at large. Furthermore, we pledge our support and cooperation to Senator Sani Abubakar, assuring him of our readiness to work together for the development of Taraba and Nigeria at large. We call on all party members in Taraba State to unite to close rank and rally round behind Senator Sani Abubakar to effectively deliver on his new responsibility. In conclusion, we express our optimism that Senator Sani Abubakar appointment will bring about much needed unity, peace, development and progress to Taraba chapter of All Progressive Congress. We are urging him to diligently dedicate and proactive in fulfilling his responsibility as minister. We also restated our commitment to the success of the APC in Taraba State and pledged to work tirelessly towards upholding the virtue of the party in the state. I, David Esu Jimkuta, the leader of APC Taraba State, making the statement on behalf of all the stakeholders in Taraba.